Most men say the same thing when you ask them about seed oils. I barely consume them, bro. Maybe once in a while. But the truth is this. Most men are consuming seed oils every single day, and most don't even know it. Because seed oils hide in places you would never expect, in foods you think are healthy, in snacks you think are harmless, and even in meals that look clean, simple, and safe. These oils are pervasive, often found in products marketed as natural or beneficial, making their presence deceptive to the average consumer. Today, we're breaking this down simply, clearly, scientifically, so you finally see how seed oils sneak into your diet without your awareness. Seed oils, also called industrial vegetable oils, come from seeds like soybean, corn, sunflower, safflower, canola, cottonseed, and grapeseed. These are common agricultural products, and their widespread cultivation makes them a cheap and abundant source for oil production. Sounds harmless, right? But here's the issue. These seeds don't naturally release oil easily. They're not like olives or avocados where oil flows out under simple pressure. Instead, a complex industrial process is required. To extract seed oil, factories use high heat, chemical solvents, intense mechanical pressure, deodorizing, and bleaching. This multi-stage process is designed to maximize oil yield from the seeds, but it comes at a significant cost to the oil's natural integrity. By the time the oil reaches your kitchen, it has been heated, oxidized, and stripped of stability, making it far from its original, natural state. This extensive processing fundamentally alters the oil's chemical structure, often leading to the formation of harmful compounds. This is the type of fat that affects men's metabolism, inflammation, and cardiovascular health quietly and long-term. The cumulative effect of consuming these altered fats can contribute to chronic health issues that develop gradually over many years. Let's break down the foods men eat most often and how many of them are loaded with seed oils. First, chips and crackers. Almost every chip or cracker uses vegetable oil. Look at the ingredient list. It usually starts with soybean oil, corn oil, or sunflower oil. These snack foods are ubiquitous, making it incredibly easy to consume seed oils without even realizing it, often several times a day. Next, mayonnaise and salad dressings. Even the healthy, organic, or light versions are based on seed oils. Many consumers are misled by marketing claims, believing these options are superior, but the base oil often remains the same problematic ingredient. Then there are frozen foods. Pizza, nuggets, fries, burritos, all pre-coated with seed oils before freezing. The convenience of frozen meals often masks the fact that they are pre-processed with these oils to enhance texture and extend shelf life. Sauces and condiments are another major culprit. Barbecue sauce, teriyaki, ketchup blends, chili sauce all commonly contain seed oils to maintain texture. These ingredients are crucial for achieving the desired consistency and mouthfeel in many popular condiments, making them a hidden source of seed oils. Bread and baked goods also contribute. Most packaged bread uses vegetable oil for moisture and shelf life. From your morning toast to your sandwich at lunch, these everyday staples frequently contain seed oils, adding to your daily intake. Restaurant food is a huge category. Most restaurants, from fast food to higher-end grills, use cheap seed oils for frying, marinating, sautéing, and even brushing food before serving. So even if your order sounds clean, grilled chicken and veggies, it's still probably cooked or coated in seed oils. The cost-effectiveness and versatility of seed oils make them a preferred choice for commercial kitchens, impacting nearly every dish. Finally, healthy-looking snacks. Granola bars, protein chips, veggie crisps, plant-based products, they all rely heavily on seed oils. These products often leverage health halos, making consumers believe they are making a better choice, when in reality, they are still consuming significant amounts of seed oils. Bottom line, you don't need to pour seed oils into a pan to be consuming them. They're already in your food before you touch it. Understanding these hidden sources is the first step towards making more informed dietary choices for your long-term health. In Part 1, we exposed how easily seed oils sneak into your meals, even if you're trying to eat clean. Now, in Part 2, we go deeper to understand the real impact of seed oils inside a man's body, especially on the heart, blood flow, and testosterone. This isn't just about fat, it's about oxidation, inflammation, and hormone disruption, which are critical processes affecting men's health. Let's break it down in a way men can finally understand, focusing on the scientific mechanisms at play. Seed oils contain polyunsaturated fats, specifically omega-6 fats like linoleic acid, which are known for their chemical instability. These fats are highly susceptible to oxidation when exposed to common environmental factors such as heat, oxygen, and light. When factories heat these oils for extraction and processing, they are already damaged before they even reach your pantry. The damage continues when these oils are heated again during cooking, frying in restaurants, or baking in manufactured foods. This repeated heating produces lipid peroxides, aggressive molecules that act as potent triggers for inflammation throughout the body. In simple terms, you are consuming damaged fats that, in turn, damage your own cells, leading to a cascade of negative health effects. While many men worry about cholesterol, few realize that oxidized fats are far more dangerous due to their direct cellular impact. Inside your body, oxidized seed oils can irritate blood vessel walls, initiating a harmful cycle. They also reduce nitric oxide production, a crucial molecule for maintaining healthy blood flow and vessel elasticity. This leads to stiffening of the arteries, making them less flexible and more prone to damage. Furthermore, oxidized seed oils trigger chronic low-grade inflammation, a silent but persistent threat to cardiovascular health. Ultimately, these combined effects worsen blood flow throughout the body, impacting vital organ function. This means blood has a harder time moving through your arteries, increasing the workload on your heart. Your heart works harder than it should, leading to increased strain and potential long-term damage. And circulation, especially to areas men care about, begins to decline, affecting overall vitality and function. This is why long-term seed oil consumption is directly linked to higher blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. It also contributes to arterial stiffness, making vessels less responsive and more vulnerable. Furthermore, it elevates inflammation markers, indicating a persistent inflammatory state within the body. This damage doesn't come from one meal. It accumulates from years of slow, consistent exposure to these oils. This is the part that surprises most men, the indirect yet profound connection between seed oils and testosterone. Seed oils don't lower testosterone directly, but they do so indirectly through several interconnected mechanisms. First, increased chronic inflammation disrupts hormone signaling, interfering with the body's ability to produce and utilize testosterone effectively. Second, oxidative stress directly impacts Leydig cells, which are the primary cells responsible for producing testosterone in men. Third, seed oil residues can be stored in fat tissue, and men with more body fat accumulate more of these residues, worsening hormonal balance. Fourth, seed oils contribute to lower metabolic efficiency, making your body less capable of producing and converting hormones optimally. So, over time, men may notice a decline in lower drive and less motivation, impacting their daily lives. They might also experience reduced strength and slower recovery after physical activity, affecting their fitness goals. Increased belly fat and lower confidence can also be subtle, but significant indicators of these underlying hormonal shifts. These changes don't happen overnight, but slowly, quietly, and consistently, eroding men's health and vitality. If Part 1 showed you where seed oils hide, and Part 2 showed you how they harm your heart and hormones, Part 3 is where you finally take control. This episode is all about foods that support blood flow, fats that improve hormone balance, simple swaps that cut seed oil intake by 80%, and habits that help your cells recover. No supplements, no gimmicks, just practical, real-world strategies for men. If seed oils lower nitric oxide, then you need foods that boost it back up. Here are the top foods men should include weekly. Beets, one of the richest natural nitrate sources, excellent for blood flow. Arugula or rocket, with higher nitrates than spinach, great for men's vascular health. Citrus fruits improve arterial elasticity. Garlic supports nitric oxide production and reduces stiffness. Pomegranate protects blood vessel lining and improves circulation. Dark berries are high in antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress from seed oils. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel reduce inflammation and support hormone function. These foods don't just clean your arteries, they help restore the flexibility and responsiveness your blood vessels need. These small substitutions make massive differences over time. Swap 1. Vegetable oil mayo for olive oil mayo. Swap 2. Seed oil chips for nuts or baked chips cooked in avocado oil. Swap 3. Fast food fries for homemade oven potatoes. Swap 4. Restaurant fried foods for grilled or roasted options. Swap 5. Bottled dressings for olive oil plus lemon or balsamic. Swap 6. Frozen meals for homemade bulk cooking and clean oils. Swap 7. Coffee creamer for real milk or half and half. These swaps are simple enough that any man can maintain them for life. Welcome to part 4, the part every man needs. Because it's one thing to understand seed oils, it's another thing to avoid them in real life. Today, you'll learn how to read ingredient labels, how to shop without getting tricked, and how to avoid seed oils at restaurants. You'll also discover how to build a clean kitchen and make this lifestyle simple, not stressful. Let's get practical. Most men glance at calories or protein, but the ingredient list is where the truth hides. Here's how to read it effectively. Rule number 1. The first 3 ingredients tell the story. If oil is one of the first 3, it's loaded. Rule number 2, may contain or blended oil is a red flag. These blends almost always include cheap seed oils. Rule number 3, expeller pressed doesn't make seed oils safe. Still unstable, still oxidizes quickly. Rule number 4, ignore 0 trans fat labels. That doesn't mean 0 seed oils. Rule number 5, keep it simple. Short ingredient lists equal safer foods. If a packaged food has 20 plus ingredients, it probably includes seed oils somewhere. This is where most men get hit the hardest. Restaurants almost always use canola oil, soybean oil, or vegetable oil blend. Here's how to avoid them. Strategy 1, choose grilled, roasted, or baked. Avoid fried or crispy items. Strategy 2, ask one simple question. What oil do you cook with? You'll be surprised, some places do have clean options. Strategy 3, request no sauce or dressing. Most dressings are pure seed oil. Strategy 4, bring your own olive oil if needed. Sounds extra, but many health-conscious men actually do it. Strategy 5, avoid fast food unless necessary. Fryer oils are reused for hours, even days. Eating out smartly saves you from a week's worth of inflammation in a single meal.